Hello students, welcome to our games. We're going to play with SpellingTraining.com. Your teacher will set you up, but the name of the game is spelling. So all you have to do is go down to the green boxes where the games are. Let's see. The teacher will put your words in, your list, and you can, before you go all the way down, you can listen to the words one at a time.
Cat. Dog.
Just push on the button.
Big.
See how you spell the word?
Mom. Dad.
Okay, so now we head down, and there they are, the green boxes. Today we're going to play with Smiley Man, which is kind of like Hangman, and Reading with Spaceships. So how do you play it? You click on Smiley Man, and we check to see if those our words are there. There are words right there. And we just have to write the letters or guess the letters. You don't have to write it in order. You can have 7 guesses before the Smiley Man loses his smile completely. So to start, you click green start.
Cat.
How do we spell cat? Here are the letters, and we can say, does cat begin with a C? Cat? Yeah, that means that we got it right. Let's see. Cat. Oops, my thumb actually hit the U, and that's not how you spell cat. I was aiming for the T. So now we know what it sounds like if you get it wrong. And that's how it sounds if you get it right. And see, he's smiling. So we can click here, where it says click here, for the next word.
Mom.
Mom. Both the M's came up together because it's like Hangman, and there's a smiley face. Click here for the next word.
Big.
Big.
Dog.
What if we spell it wrong? What if I do B? See, the smile has left his face. Oh no, he's kind of wondering, what's the letter? Uh-oh, he's in trouble. Uh-oh, he's like, that's not right. How about Z? No, Z is not in there. Okay, there is an O. Dog. But what if I put down a Q? I think that might be all my guesses. One more. Oh, he's crying. That means it's not right. And that's all the guesses we get. So it says, sorry, you didn't guess that word. But we click here, it gives us
Dad.
the next word. And it has 2 letters in it. And so when we finish, and we want to hear the word again, we just press up here.
Dad.
And then we can exit up here when we're done. Go back to the main menu. See where it says green, it says yes, we choose yes. There we go. Go down, all the green boxes are there. So now we are ready for Reading with Spaceships. This is fun. So all you have to do is read the word play right here. And we're going to read the words that they say.
Big.
There it is. Where is the word big? Big. Is that big? That's cat. Big. Okay, so I can hit here. Yay. That sound means we got it right.
Mom.
Mom. So what if I didn't hear what he said? Then I could click this here again. And
Mom.
he says it again. So I click on Mom. That sounds right.
Dog.
Dog. Dog, dog. Remember, we're going to have a bad sound if it's wrong. If I click on cat, it says, oops, try again. So, dog. Got it.
Cat.
Cat. Now we can click on cat. Catch that spaceship. Yay.
Dad.
Dad. We're getting faster. Good. It says you only had one mistake with the word dog. And remember, I made that mistake on purpose so you can see what happens. But we can start the game again so you play it as long as your teacher wants you to, or you can go back to the main menu. And that's how you play it. So just to review, we had spelling training. The games are in the green boxes below. Let me see, the green boxes, there they are, all the games. And we played Smiley Man and which is Hangman, and Reading with Spaceships. At the end, it will ask you if you want to go back to the main menu, and we usually click yes, because that gives us back here. And these are several games. Let's see, there's 7 games on here that you can play with your teacher. And that's all we're going to do today, except I'll show you if you use the computer, then you can play even more games, like those words with a roller coaster. Let's hear what it says. Let's see. This is the same game, spelling. And you click up here to hear the word. Man. And then you type the word. M-A-N. There's man. And then it helps you move. The roller coaster will move big every time you type the right word.
Ball.
Ball. It's moving up.
Red.
These are slightly different words. There we go. There's the roller coaster for us. Red. It climbs.
Cat.
Cat.
Man.
Man. Oop, there's my buzz.
Man.
It makes it go backward if I say it wrong. If I spell it wrong.
Big.
Big.
Ball.
Ball. Okay.
Red.
We're almost at the top. Red. And,
Cat.
no, not there yet. Cat. Now what happens? There we go. Whoa! It rolls down the roller coaster. Every time you get it right, and you get to the top. And you just go for a ride. The end. Oops. Well, here it comes to the end. I'll let you enjoy the entire roller coaster ride. And then we'll say goodbye. Bye-bye. Spelling training.